YouTube, what's good, family? Get y'all a little update on Savage today. We got some more spray foam. Got the big gap this time. Got like 3 cans there. Bro's supposed to be bringing me 2 more. So, should be plenty to do what we got left right here. So, we're going to finish that up. We got get out of there. There we go. We got 2 sets of these. So we can go ahead and finish them up. Y'all know. Oh, that was in there. You might want to check them out. That was cheap. I think that was like, I want to say like $17 or something like that a set. But they also do voltmeters, fuse box, fuses, amp fans, lugs. Check them out. Anyway, I don't know why I'm out here giving free promotions. It just happened to be in the pack when I opened it, really. We got that. And we got can I get these out, please? Bear with me, guys. There we go. Well, that's actually a store package, so you can't see it. But, there you go, you see that one. We got the wires. So, the amp is about to be a wrap. What else do we need? Oh, we need the batteries. The batteries ain't got here yet, you guys. Sorry. This was not meant to be a teaser. But the batteries are supposed to be here today. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten up these wires. Get these wires in there. Get the sub back in the box because it is still hanging out back there. And hopefully, oh yeah, I forgot about that. I ain't put that in yet still. So I'm going to put that in too. And hopefully the batteries get here today. We can wire something up. We can get this thing back to flexing. Make sure y'all stay tuned in, man. Let's get it. Ain't no game. Let's go. All right, YouTube. What's good, family? Give y'all a quick update. Just to go ahead and let you know, it is not playing. I'm sorry. The batteries didn't come today. And plus, I couldn't finish all my wiring because the wire lugs didn't come today. So I just did what I could. I did put one of the duals in that side. Yes, I'm waiting on some freaking heat shrink or whatever. So yeah, I know that looked bad. I'm still waiting on the heat shrink and the wire lugs to come. But I run that one ground piece right there. Put that dual input in there. I ain't got to the other side yet because I need the wire lugs so I can make another piece of running wire. And as far as this goes, all this is back together. It's solid. This is back closed off. Put some fresh wood in there. Looks a lot better. That corner's all tightened up like it needs to be. So the phone's up there. It's solid all the way across now, like it needs to be. I don't know if y'all can hear that or tell the difference, but yeah, all the pieces is back in there. See, it's back flush. Put those layers back in there too. So yeah, I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying to get back playing really, really soon. So yeah, all I gotta do is rewire the subs, drop that sub back in, and as soon as the lugs get here, finish wiring the amps up. As soon as the batteries get here, mount the battery. We already know I had the mids and highs amp in here before, so all those wires are ran. I just have to hook them up into the amp, which is up there. So make sure we're getting close, buddy. We're getting close. Make sure you all stay locked in, like, share, subscribe, and see y'all at sundown. Let's get it.